Man, I hope Nike is not capping about this restock that they're about to do for these SBs, because if you like your boy, you didn't hit on not one SB dunk all 2022, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys seen the thumbnail and the title. We're gonna be breaking down the restock action that's about to go down on the Nike SNKRS app. They put it on this week in sneakers. I know a lot of people are probably like, yo, what does this mean? I don't know if I'm gonna get exclusive access. I don't know if I'm gonna hit on a restock. And I'm gonna break all that down for you guys in today's video. But before we get into it, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button right now. We're less than 1,500 away. 1,500 away from that big 70K, man. So help your boy out, share with a friend, and help your boy hit that 70K on the channel. And you guys already know, man, the content's gonna keep rolling, more early looks. And if you guys have not tapped into the Air Jordan 12 I'm a year early look, early unboxing, make sure you guys go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. The thing looks so clean behind me, man. And before we jump into it, leave a huge like on today's video. To go for every video is 500 likes. So go ahead and spam them up, spam the comments, and we're gonna chop it over about this restock that's about to happen on the Nike SNKRS app. All right, guys, so if you go into your Nike SNKRS app and you go to this week in sneakers, I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what it looks like. So if you go to the feed, it should be the first thing on there. It should say this week in sneakers. So after you click on that, you go over, you check out the little story and stuff like that. They got the twos on there. They're even talking about the SB Dunk lobsters. But if you go all the way over to like the second to last slide on the little post for this week in sneakers, it says Nike SB is bringing back select 22 SB Dunk low styles to conclude their 20th anniversary, prioritizing members who have tried to win SB Dunk styles in the past. Select 2022 colorways will be released via exclusive access in the SNKRS app. So if you guys are like, hold on, did they just do this for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds? They say if you didn't hit on a pair of Jordan 1s for the last like 20 releases, you got exclusive access. But I know myself, I took mad L's on plenty of Air Jordan 1s, and I did not get exclusive access either. So if you're one of the people like me, and I'm not even capping, I have not hit on one SB ever on the Nike SNKRS app. So I'm highly expecting to get exclusive access to be able to hit on this shock drop for the Nike SB restock that they're about to do. And if you go over to the last post, I'm gonna show you guys real quick, and I'm gonna put a screenshot over here. It says exclusive access provides some of our most dedicated Nike members who are also big fans of SB Dunk the opportunity to purchase a random colorway from 2022. Quantities are limited. That's just that's standard for all, you know, exclusive access shock drops. And exclusive access is not guaranteed general availability or availability in a particular size. So I always tell you guys, you might get exclusive access, but if you don't go in there ASAP, somebody might take your size, because they're not like going to set your pair to the side. You got to go in there, get your shoe, and hurry up and check out, because everybody else that has exclusive access can get your size. And they say it is recommended that you have push notifications enabled. So make sure you go ahead, put in push notifications. Make sure your ringer is on between December the 20th and December the 22nd, which is tomorrow. And the next couple of days after that, some exclusive access is gonna be getting pushed out. So I'm hoping your boy get that exclusive access, because I have not hit on not one pair of dunks ever. Like, you can check my history for my purchases. I've never hit on a pair of SB dunks. I hit on a pair of dunks before, but never a pair of SB. So hopefully your boy get this dub. And them orange lobsters is dropping tomorrow. I am super excited about that release. So I know a lot of you guys probably like, yo, what sneakers are releasing? And I'm gonna put a screenshot over here so you guys can check it out. I am not that hip on all the colorways. I did see the eBay dunks and a couple more over there that you guys probably know the colorways of. I just want a pair. I think they all dope. Only thing that I hit on this year as far as dunks is the regular dunks. I hit on like 5 pairs this year for retail. So hopefully your boy get this EA for one of these clean SB dunks over here. So yeah, guys, I just want to come up on here real quick, chop it up about this restock action that's going on. And I still have not heard anything about the Jordan Reserve that they usually do it around this time of the year. Maybe they do it after the 22nd just because they're doing this whole SB restock thing. So hopefully, like I said, we see some Lost and Founds on there. We see some Air Jordan 1 Georgetowns. A lot of that exclusive heat that a lot of people take L's on. Hopefully, you know, bless a lot of people with throwing that on the Jordan Reserve. And I know myself, I need a couple of sneakers that I missed out on this year. So I hope Nike blesses your boy. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like I said, share this with a friend. Let them know it's a restock about to happen between December the 20th and December 22nd for some SB Dunk lows. And I know a lot of you guys out there took L's. I know myself, I took mad L's this year and the year previous on SB. So hopefully Nike bless your boy, like I said. And if you guys do not know, man, I'm selling sneakers out of my personal collection at @thevintage_closet on Instagram. I have all my social media linked down below, including my Twitter, where I let you guys know about shock drops restocks, exclusive access drops, and all that good stuff. So go tap in all my social media links down below. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.